I went through this knee, I know almost 20 years with pain. I wouldn't wish all the pain on my worst enemy. That's how much pain I was in. I mean, it was just constant pain.
Her knee had gotten to the point that just nothing was working, and I try to be pretty conservative in my approach with patients with arthritis or whatever particular problem. I've been using minimally invasive total knees as my approach to doing knee replacements for about 5 years, and to me it's just night and day in terms of ease of recovery. And with the minimally invasive knee incisions that we're using and some of the other techniques that we use during surgery, with less cutting you have less scarring, you do probably have less pain. In general, I don't seem to have to write nearly as much in the way of pain medication after surgery because the patients are more comfortable.
This is the first time I've ever had surgery that I wasn't in pain. And this is the first time in 20 years that I have been pain-free. So, Dr. Belew, all I can say is he is awesome, awesome, awesome.
It's fun to watch people come back because afterwards they go from struggling just to do everyday things and just to go to a grocery store is really difficult for them to where they're walking all over, they've almost got a new lease on life.
I recommend anybody with your aches and pains, you need orthopedic doctor, Kristen is the hospital to come to. I think the doctors here are wonderful. I can do a lot of things now with my great-grandkids that I couldn't do. I'm 73 years old and I can jump. I don't know about running, but I think I can run.